Hi, my name is Emily and I'm going to be your occupational therapist for today. I see that after looking at your history that you have no precautions or contraindications. Has anything changed recently that would make you have any pain or anything?
No.
Okay, good. So I did wash my hands before we walked in, and I did wipe down the table in the goniometer that we'll be using today. Other than that, I just want to say that we're only going to be testing one arm today, or one wrist today, and that is just due to this video that we're testing, or we're doing, and normally you would test both sides. Also, I will be touching you today, and I hope that's okay.
Yep.
And as long as you're good with that. We'll start with this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you the movements at the beginning, so you know which direction you need to be going in. So first we're going to be testing radial deviation, and the prime movers for that are the extensor carpi, radialis, longus, and brevis. So I'm going to place the axis of the goniometer over the depression made by the capitate bone on the posterior side of your arm. I'm going to place the stationary arm in the midline of your forearm, and then I'm going to be placing the movable arm on your third metacarpal. So from here, I'm going to have you yourself move your hand this way. So you can go ahead and do that. Okay. So here it shows that you have about, I would say, 20 degrees. And now I'm going to move your hand to see if we can get anything else from a passive range of motion. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Make sure everything's lined up well. And it looks like you got to 25 degrees. So that's really good. Now we are going to test ulnar deviation, and the prime mover for that is the extensor carpi ulnaris. And so what I'm going to have for you to do with this movement is I'm going to have you move your hand like this. So I'm going to be placing the axis in both arms at the same place as I did for the last one. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and do that motion. It looks like you got about 20 degrees. So now I'm going to move your hand again to show passive range. And it looks like you are almost to, I would say, about 25 degrees. And if you have any other questions, just let me know. And if you're good for today, the session's over.